Good morning from Southern California. This is our project for today at the base camp. The shingles are falling off the shed, so we got to put those back on. The next project is hooking up the solar panel to the Kodiak. I've got just the right length of cable here. I run it through the window, down into the Kodiak. The sun's just starting to shine. I'm at 4 green bars. I don't know if you can see that. See the green? There we go. And I'm hoping for a 5th blue bar. The last one's always blue when it's totally charged. I just replaced my Dometic CF18. The lid had some problems. This is the new one. And as you can see, this little latch is made out of plastic. So I'm going to be really careful with the new one here. And the other thing is there's a little hinge here and one over here. And I think when I push this lid back too far, it puts strain on those little plastic hinges. So with the new one, I'm going to be really careful with it, not let it get tweaked. So I like having one that I already know how it works, and this one is fine. I just hooked it up. I'll show you the old one. So here's the old one, and this top, as you can see, the latch is okay on this side, but the latch on this side broke off. And, I'm sorry, that's not the latch, the hinge. The hinge broke off. Here's how the hinge looks. Now the latch was right up here, and that little part, it's all plastic, so it broke off. Too bad, huh? So that's a good little refrigerator, and it'll even do freezing too. So anyway, what's happening, little girls? What are you up to? Are you lost? They're lost without their big friend Buddy. Yeah, Buddy is over visiting the tooth fairy today. Yeah, he's getting his teeth cleaned. I did a DNA study on him, and he is Chihuahua and Pomeranian and Poodle. So that's why he needs to have his teeth cleaned, because Chihuahuas always need to have their teeth cleaned. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what all things are going on around the base camp. We're getting ready for travels, and again, this is the year of victory, and this is the victory that overcomes the world, our faith. How is faith victory? Well, it's faith that Jesus has washed away all our mistakes, and it's faith that we get to live with him forever, and it's faith that he will help us in our daily lives here on the planet. So trust in him, and remember that this is the victory that overcomes the world, our faith. I'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Bye.